Meaning of demagogic.
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 Demagogic. The term demagogic refers to a political strategy in which leaders appeal to the emotions and prejudices of the public to gain power and support. This often involves making false or exaggerated claims, scapegoating minority groups, and using inflammatory rhetoric. The result of such demagoguery can be highly divisive and polarizing, leading to the spread of misinformation, the erosion of democratic norms, and ultimately, the consolidation of power in the hands of an authoritarian leader. It is important for citizens to remain vigilant against demagogic tactics and to hold their leaders accountable for their actions.